In today's video, we're going to discuss time saved and mistakes prevented by linking your PowerPoint presentation to Vena graphs and tables. Vena gives the user the ability to analyze and interpret your data as it becomes available. So by linking a PowerPoint deck, as changes are saved back, your storyboard will too. In this example, we're going to modify the gas usage and open the PowerPoint to see the modifications. For the interest of time, I already have our budget file open. And highlighted on line 43, we have our input. As you can see, everything is right now currently at 900. So when we make an outlandish input, come up to the Vena ribbon to click Save. When we go to open up our PowerPoint presentation, back in the contributor role, to click Download, it should stick out pretty clearly. Open our PowerPoint up, come to our diagram, and you can see in May, we can see our 15,000 that we entered. Thank you for viewing this video on linking PowerPoint and Vena graphs.